Hi there, thank you for joining us for another fun art activity. My name is Sunny Ra. I'm the Museum Educator here at the Tang Museum at Skidmore College. Today we're going to be doing a really fun art project based on one of the artists in our collection, and I'll show you the artwork, well, a picture of the artwork. So this art piece is by Malian artist Abdoulaye Konate, and the title of this work is Metamorphose du Papillon, which is French for metamorphosis of the butterfly. And this piece in real life is really large. It's a textile or fabric piece that the artist created and assembled together. As you can see, that all the different strips of colors are individual fabric pieces sewn together. And a lot of the colors in the palette that the artist used is very specific to the Malian tradition. And so the artist is telling different stories about where he's from. And Mali is a country in Western Africa. And so our project today will be inspired by this piece in our collection. So to start for this project, I'll go through a list of materials that are suggested, but you can use whatever you have available at home. So you'll need some construction paper or different color papers like this, for instance. You'll need some glue, scissors, and if you have scrap papers, that you have lying around, you can collect those and use those too for fun and embellishments. Some markers, it could be Sharpies or Crayola markers in different colors as well. Or if you don't have markers, color pencils work just as fine. Okay, so let's start. So you first want to take a color paper, whatever color, you can choose your favorite color to start. So I chose yellow. And the first thing you want to do is fold the paper in half like so, horizontally, okay? So once you fold that here, we're going to make a butterfly inspired after the title of the art piece that we're inspired by today. And so you'll take your marker or pencil and you'll draw like an outline of like half of a butterfly shape. And it could be imaginary or it could be a realistic. You can do whatever design and kind of wings that you would like for your butterfly. And once you have that drawn, and make sure it's along the folded line, the folded side of your paper, you'll want to cut it out. So you follow when you're cutting, you'll follow the line that you had just made. So once you're done cutting it out, it should look like this, okay? So you can see the line that I followed. Okay. And then once you're done cutting it, you'll open it up and you'll have a perfectly symmetrical butterfly shape. Now to embellish on your butterfly shape, similar to where Konate uses individual pieces to make those sort of frills of the piece, you can make your own frills. I have a couple of examples that I'll go through. The first one is you can use individual long pieces of paper. So I cut out a few pieces and choose the colors that you want to use, like so. So whatever colors you want, you can choose your favorite colors, and then just glue the tops, just the top half of that strip. And then on your butterfly, you can just stick it on there. And when you do several rows, you'll have these frills, as you can see here. Or if you want to do what I did on the top to make these long rows of strips, or frills, I should say, you'll just need long strips of paper like so. And then you'll start cutting the frills. This is another piece. And you'll just cut. And you'll continue that to the very end. And you'll have something like this, where it's super frilly. Then you'll just glue the very top. And then you'll take your butterfly shape and you'll put them in rows like so. I'll add to this. Make sure it goes under the row above it, you stick it on, and then you'll have your Konate inspired design. And then you'll continue to embellish. Feel free to create any kind of designs, or you can draw on top of the frills. This is my completed butterfly. So I used a lot of green and different shades of green and blues because what's important to me is family time. And a lot of times when my family is all together, we go on trips to the beach or we go camping. And so I chose more sort of colors that remind me of being outside in nature. And I kind of put the different color blues on to sort of emulate what it's like when the sun hits the water and how it's kind of glittery and it's shiny in some areas and dark in some areas. And then here, because my name is Sunny, I put like a little sun design here. And I love being outside too. So you can really create and tell your story with all the colors and shapes and designs that you decide to make your own butterfly. And that's it. So I hope you had fun today. Thank you for joining, and I hope you share your story with your loved ones, and have a great summer. See you next time. Thank you.